So today we're giving Nylah chocoflan, and she's just gonna have fun with that.
I got a cake.
Yes, chocolate cake with like an egg type of topping.
Huh?
Go ahead, it's all yours. You can have it. It's all yours.
My cake couldn't buy me.
Eat yours. And then we have Nathan over here on the side, also eating some. But I want to see how messy Nylah got today. So, as you can tell, she's probably already dirty, but. It's good. I bet it's good. It's chocolate. Is it good, Nylah? It's good. It's good. I bet it's good. That's not how you play with cake. You're supposed to eat it. No, don't do that. You're gonna drop it. I wouldn't want you to drop it. Can you not? Can you not do that? Can you not? Can you not? You gotta eat it. That's a pretty big slice for a baby. Yeah. Is it good? Yeah. It's delicious.
Right. That's delicious.
Delicious, yep. No, you drop it. No, I gotta drop it. Oh, she separated the chocolate. It's probably what she likes the most. Oh. You like the plate more? Okay, look. Let me have the plate. You can have that. Yeah, go for it. It's all yours. You go for it. Yeah, go for it. Go. Get it. Of course you'd make a mess. You know, that's a lot of good chocoflan that I could eat. So does that mean you're done? You're not like, so she didn't like the chocolate. She liked more the custard. Yeah, it was good. Do you want some more? I'm sure she don't need no more. Ah. Seriously? So, well, I guess that's it for her. You see the mess she made? Excuse the mess that's already on the floor, but yeah. I could have ate those pieces that you dropped, madam. Hey, was it good? It was really good. You want me to make some? You want me to give you some more? You want some more? You want some more? You want some more? Yeah, we'll try to get you some more. Yeah. All right then. Hit that, my beauty. Okay, well, time to clean up. Okay, bye. It's so messy. What happened to you? What happened here? No, don't look away like it wasn't you. Hey, I know it was you. Who made all that mess?
Yeah.
Yeah, you. Yeah. You made all the mess. Now clean it up. You sure you don't want any more? Are you done? Like completely done? Like after this? Okay. All right. We'll get you out. All right.